Hey, I'm Papo, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking. And in that time, I've helped over 4,900 people repair and rebuild their credit, as well as teach them how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for free. Now in front of us, I've got one of our members that's only been with us for a few months, but has got absolutely amazing results. It's Santana. Do you want to introduce yourself? Tell us a little bit about yourself and how long you've been a part of Credit Club and what you do.
Hey, I'm Santana. I've been a part of Credit Club since March this year. So it's been 3 months and it's been amazing so far. My credit's gone from like 700 to like 999 within the last 3 months. My credit limit's gone up to 80K. It started off with like 10K. So that's huge, like in 3 months. It's been amazing. I've traveled to New York in first class for like £250 using my points. So I can't be any more happier than that.
No, that's amazing. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna dive deeper because she's just said a load of amazing stuff. So I wanted to dissect every single one for us. So cool, been with us for a few months and you've got all these results. Tell us a little bit about, your credit limit. So when you started with us, you didn't actually have a Business American Express Gold card. What was your limit before you started with us in Credit Club 2.0 with your credit altogether? Do you know, or do you remember?
I had about £5,000 credit limit on like normal credit cards.
Okay, perfect. And then we started you off with a 10,000 limit on your business gold. And then like you said, we've now got it all the way up to 80,000. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna flash it up on the screen somewhere so you can see her limit. And then also your credit score as well. We took it from the 700 range. I'll throw your score up. Hopefully we should have a screenshot of it from before. And then now you're all the way in the 900 range. So I'll flash that up on the screen as well. Now you said you flew to New York and you used your points. Do you know how much points you used? And you said it cost you £250.
Yes, it was about 68,000 AVOS points.
That's amazing. Yeah, that's absolutely amazing. So you were able to do that and go to New York, which is amazing. And one other question I was going to ask you, because you've been with us for 3 months, how have you found your personal one-to-one group chat? Because anyone that doesn't know, whenever you join Credit Club 2.0, we have a support system which is tailored to you. So Santana has her own group chat. And how has that group chat been for you since you've been a part of the program?
It's been amazing. Everyone on there is very attentive. No complaints. Any time of day I message on the group chat for advice, someone's always there to respond to me, and they're always giving the best advice possible. So I'm really happy with it.
No, that's amazing. And then the other thing I was going to ask you is how have you found the content and the material in Credit Club 2.0, and was it easy to understand? Because a lot of people join the program or they want to join the program and they're like, is it going to take a lot of my time up? Is it easy to digest and understand? Is this like rocket science or is it easy to do? How have you found it?
It's very straightforward, to be honest with you. You just look at the videos, the content, and it, like, whatever they say to you, that is what you've got to do. There's no hidden sort of secrets behind it. It's basically just been fed to you, and it is pretty simple.
Yeah, exactly. And like, for example, with you were able to catch that flight, and that flight would have probably set you back £3,000 to £4,000, and you were able to
Definitely.
Catch that and get it for a lot less price. So that's amazing. One other thing I was going to ask you is, would you recommend this to someone else who wants to join? And what would you say to someone that's like in 2 minds of wanting to join the program?
I would say, you've got nothing to lose at the end of the day. Why wouldn't you want to join it? You're going to generate points whenever you want to go on holiday. You're going to be discounted. You can fly business. Even if you don't want to fly business class, you can go on economy probably for free, completely free. But why not travel business for, not even half the price, like a fraction of the price?
Yeah, exactly. And one thing I was gonna say is with you as well, you obviously had the call with one of our team to join. How was it kind of for you once you started with us? Because I know the onboarding process. One thing I want you to kind of tell people is, how easy was it transitioning from not being a part of the program and being a part of the program, and how fast did we get the ball rolling with opening your cards, getting you the results? I mean, we got it in 3 months, but how fast was that process and how easy was it for you? Did it, make you do a lot of work to get there, or was it kind of hands off and we kind of helped you out with everything?
It was very easy. I literally just had to obviously go on a call, speak to someone, and then basically you guys did everything for me. Applied for the card. It arrived within, I think, 3 days, if that. So yeah, I didn't even have to do anything really. I just had to sit back and wait.
Yeah, and then obviously you watched the videos as well. You got to see my face for a good 2-3 hours through the content. But yeah, that's amazing. Wicked, cool. So I'm gonna keep this short and simple. I don't want to take too much of your time. And obviously, you know, if anyone has any questions, just drop it down below. I'm more than happy to answer. But yeah, this is Santana. She joined us 3 months ago. 900 credit score now, 80,000 credit limit on her business card. Flew already within 3 months to New York in business class, or was it first class that you said? I mean, absolutely. First class, yeah, absolutely amazing. But yeah, thank you for jumping on the call with me, Santana. It's been a pleasure.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Thank you. Bye-bye.